So yeah, what we're going to demonstrate is we have developed a solution for quick and easy robot programming. And basically we can repeat the movements of the person in just a few minutes. So now what my colleague just did is he demonstrated the movements, and in a minute the robot will repeat the same movements. The idea here is that we have trackers, we have cameras, and cameras record the movement of the trackers, and we can put them on different tools. So it can be on painting tools, sanding machine, welding applications, stapling applications, all sorts of different manufacturing processes. So he made the program, it took a minute or so, and now he will run it with the robot, which is in a standard way it would take, I don't know, at least half an hour to make this type of program. But in 1 minute we have a new program.
So how complex can the movements be, and how quick? Is there any limit for that?
Yeah, the limit is for the robot's movement, like physical limits, which the robot can move like 3 meters per second, 3 meters per second. So that's the physical limit of the robot. But in general, for applications like painting, you won't need to move that fast. The technology limits you, the painting technology itself. Yeah. And now, as you can see, the robot is repeating those movements.
So talking about applications, so this is one of them. What kind of applications are possible, or what is it for?
Yeah, so one is painting is a good application, right? Usually it's quite complex to program painting the standard way, so it's a very useful, the system is very useful for painting, but we can also use it for sanding, grinding applications, stapling, anywhere where you can demonstrate by hand what to do. Yeah. Or we can even use, for example, this tracker for defect fixing, so we can show where the defects are, and the robot can come in and do some pre-programmed movement.
I see. Okay. So, since when is the product on the market, or is it on the market yet, or is it a new version of a product that already existed? This robot that we're seeing right now?
No, we have been developing it for 7 years. We are on the market. We are for more, let's say, 3 years, 2-3 years. So it's not a new product, but it's still quite innovative and still quite fresh in the industry, let's say.
Yeah. It took 7 years to develop it, okay.
And still further developing it. We keep updating it, we keep upgrading it, we get feedback from the customers, and then we try to update the software, update the technology, and move forward.
Can you name customers, or is that secret?
Probably we have partners and customers. We have companies in Germany, in Taiwan, in Japan. So in Germany we are working with Rippet, which is a paint factory integrator. In Japan we are working with Aichi Sangyo, which is also like a KUKA system integrator. So yeah, different.
Can you tell me a little bit more about Industrial Robotics, the company?
Yeah, so our company came from our parent company, which is a furniture company. So we first automated our own processes, and then we saw that we can replicate those type of systems, and we can, let's say, automate processes for our clients as well. But the focus of industrial robotics is to make very user-friendly robotic solutions and adaptable not only to mass production, but also for small batch manufacturing, where you have a lot of variety and so on, which would be, let's say, complex for programming otherwise.
So looking ahead, in a broader sense, what do you see coming to the industry in 8 to 10 years? What kind of trends do you see maybe in your own segment or in a larger industry?
Everybody is mostly talking about AI. For the moment, AI has its adaptabilities, but it's still in the development phase, but it's probably that is where it is going, right?
Yeah. For you too, for applications like yours?
Probably. This tool is actually like a data collection tool, right? And AI, in order for AI to operate, it needs a lot of data. So we can, for example, maybe an idea is just to collect a lot of movements, right? And then maybe in the future we can just put the product, say it's a chair, maybe the robot can paint it, but it's not yet implemented. Maybe in the future.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.